Assalamu alaikum and a very good day. I would like to welcome all of you to Ship Production Technology class. Today we will be looking into the introduction chapter, that is, introduction of the shipbuilding process. First, we look into some definitions. Shipbuilding process. Shipbuilding is an industry that produces products, ships, offshore structures, floating plants, and others. Okay, and all of that is done for the customers. Customers include private owners, companies, governments, government agencies. Okay, in Malaysia, we have APMM, TLDM, and MISE. Okay, some examples. Okay, product is built to order and customized to the specific requirements of the purchaser. Okay, as we have learned from previous courses, okay, the entire process vary depending on customer involved. Okay, generally it involves a number of specific stages. Okay, here let's just summarize. Okay, first, development of owner's requirements, preliminary concept design, contract design, bidding and contracting, detailed design and planning, and after that the construction. Okay, some definitions. We look at some terms and definitions. A ship can be most easily classified by its basic dimensions, weight, displacement, load carrying capacity or deadweight, and its intended service. Okay, I'm sure many of you have seen this diagram. Okay, basically this is some of the basic design of a ship, and some of the terms and definitions that you can refer to previous courses such as Naval Architecture and Naval Architecture 1, Naval Architecture 2, and others, and also ship technology. Okay, for this diagram, it shows the length between perpendiculars, length overall, cargo holds, superstructure, rudders, and others. Okay, we look at the front view. Okay, we have the beam, bilge, draft, and depth. Okay, this is also the same diagrams, okay, which you can refer to later. Okay, next, ship types. Okay, ships can be subdivided into a number of classes based on their intended service. Primary class are dry cargo ships, tankers, bulk carriers, passenger ships, fishing vessels, industrial vessels, combatant vessels, and there are many more others. Okay, here we look at the main categories of the ship, and then for each categories we have the subcategories or type of ships under that categories. Okay, for example, cargo ships is the main title. Okay, under cargo ships we have container vessels, ro-ro, cargo liners, barge carriers, refrigerated cargo ships, and number carriers. And you can look at others. Main categories such as tankers, bulk carriers, passenger ships, fishing vessels, industrial vessels, combatant, and others. Okay, so refer to these diagrams. Okay, next we look at ship types. Okay, for example, the container ship. Okay, this is the basic design for container ships. Okay, we look at ro-ros, tankers, bulk carriers, harbor ferry, fishing vessels, tug, combatant or surface ships, hydrofoil. Okay, this is example of development of cargo ships. Okay, cargo ships start with flush deck type. Okay, next three island type, combined poop and bridge, raised quarterdeck, awning or spar deck, open shelter deck, all aft cargo ship. Okay, this diagram shows some development of the ship types. Okay, ro-ro ships. Okay, bulk carriers, ore carriers. Okay, ore, oil carriers. Okay, double hull tanker. Okay, mid tanker. Okay, and others. Okay, then we look at high-speed ships. Okay, wave-piercing catamaran, hydrofoil, multi-hull catamaran, and the SWAF concept. Okay, next we look at shipyard facilities. Okay, where do we want to build a ship? Okay, a ship will generally be built in a shipyard. Okay, and the shipyard generally contains facilities laid out to facilitate the flow of the material and assemblies. Okay, there is no typical shipyard layout because many shipyards are constructed in the early 19th and 20th century. Okay, these yards have grown according to the availability of land and waterfront according to production requirements. Okay, typical important features. Okay, for shipyard, we need a land, location of land for erection of the ship, and then how we want to get the ship to the water. Okay, such as graving dock, launching ways, or floating dry dock. Piers for storing ships afloat to permit work to continue following launching. Okay, workshops for performing various kinds of work. Steel marking, cutting and forming shop, steel assembly shop, surface preparation and coating, pipe shop, sheet metal shop, machine shop, and electrical shop. Storage, marshalling and outdoor work areas, offices and personnel support buildings, cafeteria, sick bay. Okay, general types of facilities for each equipment. Okay, this example of shipyard layout. Okay, in the shipyard, there's the need for organization. Okay, shipyard workers are organized within departments or sections that are responsible for some aspect of the operation of the company. Usually, in the shipyard, the organization is subdivided into six functions. These are administration, production, engineering, purchasing, quality assurance, project management. Okay, administration includes the chief executive officer and staff, payroll, accounting, personnel, labor relations, safety, and job estimating. Production is the department responsible for the actual construction. Okay, all trade workers are in the production department. Okay, trade workers are skilled workers. Planning, scheduling, and production control functions may also be in the production department. Generally, 75 to 85% of the shipyard's employees are in this department. Engineering is responsible for the preparation of information about the construction project to be used by production in constructing the vessel. Engineering functions include preliminary design, detailed design, production, engineering, and sometimes bidding of new jobs. Purchasing department is responsible for obtaining the materials to be used to build the ship. These include raw materials, subcontracted works, tools, transportation, manufacturing, and safety equipment. Quality assurance is often a separate function within a shipyard that is responsible for documenting for the vessel owner, regulatory agency, and classification society. It also ensures that vessel being constructed satisfies applicable rules, regulations, and contractual requirements. A separate project management or contract management department is charged with overseeing the progress of a particular shipbuilding project. It monitors compliance with budgets, schedules, materials usage, and the overall progress of the shipbuilding program.